Your data analytics portfolio is the deciding factor between getting the interview and getting ignored. Most portfolios I review fail because of one avoidable mistake. Having evaluated the work of thousands of ICT learners and career changers over the years, I can tell you exactly what separates portfolios that open doors from portfolios that close them. In this video, I am giving you the specific framework for building a data analytics portfolio that actually gets you hired. The most common portfolio mistake: building projects that prove you followed a tutorial. There are tens of thousands of data analytics portfolios on GitHub right now that all analyze the same Titanic dataset, the same Airbnb listings, the same sales CSV from a Kaggle tutorial. When a hiring manager has reviewed 40 portfolios this month, and 20 of them use identical datasets and produce nearly identical insights, yours needs to be genuinely different. What actually works? Projects that solve a real problem in a domain you understand. Your most powerful portfolio project is one that uses data from an industry or function you have worked in before. Health, care, retail, education, finance, logistics, any domain you know. Domain familiarity allows you to ask smarter questions of the data, notice anomalies that matter, and provide context that a generic analyst who just learned SQL cannot offer. Structure every portfolio project with 4 clear components. 1. The business problem. State exactly what question you were trying to answer and why that question matters to a business. Not explore the data set. Answer the real business question. 2. The data. Describe your data source, its size, its limitations, and how you ensured it was clean enough to analyze. This shows methodological rigor. 3. The approach. Explain the technique you used and why you chose it over alternatives. This demonstrates analytical thinking, not just execution. 4. The result. What did you find? What should the business do differently based on your finding? Quantify the potential impact where possible. Present your work as if you are explaining it to a non-technical business leader. Technical accuracy matters, but the analyst who can translate complex findings into clear business language is far more valuable to most organizations than one who produces brilliant analysis no one understands. Your portfolio should be accessible in 30 seconds. A hiring manager should be able to open it, understand what problem you solved, and see your result without reading paragraphs of explanation. How many projects do you need? 3 strong projects beats 10 mediocre ones every single time. 3 projects that each demonstrate real problem solving, clean methodology, clear communication, and live accessible output is the target. Quality over volume, always. Every project needs a live, accessible link. GitHub with a proper README. Tableau public. A portfolio website. If a hiring manager cannot open it in 30 seconds, it is not in your portfolio. The portfolio that gets you hired is not the most technically impressive one. It is the one that most convincingly demonstrates you can solve real business problems with data. Start your strongest project this week. A real problem, a real data set, a real result. Document it properly. Make it accessible. That single project can open more doors than any certification. Subscribe to Career Experience TV for practical, honest content on building digital careers and succeeding in the data analytics industry.